Hello guys, I'm Ronald. I'm traveling through Thailand 6 to 9 months. Hi guys, welcome. I'm now at OPB Bungalow in Koh Samui, and it's a very, it's not that great hotel resort, but it has a very nice beach. And the houses are very cheap, so you pay around 500 baht. Come, I show you. So 500 baht is around, yeah, 15, between 13 and $15. Yeah, look. Since this is inside. Toilet. So it's not that luxurious, but it's, I mean, it's okay, you know. It's okay. For around 500 baht. You have also a very nice restaurant on the beach. Okay, bungalow guys, but it's not that luxurious. If you want luxurious, I go today. I go to a more luxurious hotel. Yeah, but that's around 1,000 baht. But this is around 500 baht. But also when there's no COVID. So when there's no COVID, you pay around 500 baht. Koh Samui is also very nice, guys. That's nice, huh? So it depends on your budget. So I have a small budget. So I go to to hotels from 500,000 baht every day. Yeah, you can also rent a condominium if you want to stay for Koh Samui for a month. You can rent a condominium, and then it's much cheaper. But I don't want to stay put on one location. You know, I want to move around Thailand. So now we have. So here you have also a laundry service, so you can put your laundry. I always do my own laundry. Just put my clothes under the shower, and then with soap, and then I clean it, and then I hang it up. Hey, Sadwika. Abo. Oh, the same what he has. The sandwich, yeah? Chicken, eh? Chicken with egg, eh? Egg. But no bacon, eh? No bacon, no pork. Cabo. And Coca-Cola, please. So the same, like the same sandwich as he has, okay. With chicken and omelette, no pork, no pork. Yeah. Cabo, thank you. So here I'm going to sit and enjoy my view of Koh Samui. So later so what you can do, you can rent a bike. It's around 200, 300 baht. But the thing is, you don't know where you're going. So now I rented my personal taxi for 2 days. So 2 days, and she will show me everything about Koh Samui. and I pay for 2 days taxi 3,000 baht, so around 70 US dollars, and that's much nicer, you know. Then she's local, she know Koh Samui, she know all the nice places, yeah, and yeah, she can tell me everything. It's much nicer when you go with a bike. I mean, that's my personal opinion. When you rent a bike, that's okay, you have to drive, but how do you know the nice places? So when you talk to a foreigner and make a deal with them, it's nicer, because then she can show you around Koh Samui, all the nice places. So 3,000, but around $70 for 2 days. So that's a great day. Okay. Hi guys, Koh Samui. We're now at Fisherman Village. So this is like a very touristic area. It's like a lot of tourists, not now because of COVID, of course. But normally when it's no COVID, this will be packed with all tourists. You've got a lot of restaurants and bars. So this will be all over very crowded because all the tourists are sitting here. So you have like all nice restaurants along the beach. So this is one of the most, let me look, cafe de pier. So on all these restaurants they have like kabal up. So look at this, guys, this is nice. So then you can sit here and then you can enjoy the view. I come back tonight, eh? Now I'm not hungry. So tonight I'm going to eat one of also nice here. Hey, couple ka. Couple. So this is also very nice, guys. Look at this. Nice view. Here, very nice here to sit, have dinner. This is nice. Very nice. Couple. Now, Pumpuy, now eat tonight.
Okay, I waiting.
Bye, couple. Thank you. Bye bye. Emerald, let me see. So I don't like bars, you know. Bars you have everywhere. You don't have to go to a bar when you're in Thailand. Sarika, Thailand. Nice, eh? Nice view, eh? Nice view. So look at this, guys. This is amazing. So this is a very nice restaurant. All very nice restaurants. And then you have, then you can look at the sea. Okay, Kapkunga. So this is Italian. So this is the Happy Elephant. 1995 on the beach. Kap. Happy elephant, a lot of elephants here. Sarega. Abo. I look, eh? Well, tonight I have to eat. Not now, eh?
Yes.
Pumpui. Tonight I eat. Abo. Sarega. This is nice, guys. So this is. Okay, Cabo. Bye-bye. Abo.
Hi.
Sarega. Look at this, guys. This is also very nice, very beautiful. Sarega. So here you can sit and enjoy the sunset. Apple. So here they have like this is hotel. Hey Sadavika. How much is the room?
For the room, classic room 600 baht and bungalow 800 baht.
Oh, can I look the bungalows over there?
Oh, what's that trip?
Oh, fuck me. I almost fell. I almost fell. But this is also nice, guys. So you can rent for 800 baht. You have a very nice bungalow, and otherwise a very nice room for 600 baht. That's nice, eh? That's nice, eh? Oh, it's okay, couple. Thank you very much. So, Bravo! I make a quickly film and then I come back later. Eh? I have to eat. Eh? So this is Cocoa Thames, guys. I think I'm gonna eat here tonight because this is. So this is Cocoa Thames. Good, eh? It's pizza Nutella, eh?
Yes.
Good, eh? I like pizza Nutella. I come tonight, yeah? Not now. Pumpui. No good. I come tonight. So this is very nice, guys. Okay guys, I'm now going back to the taxi, Cocoa Thames. Okay, see you later. Bye bye guys, bye bye.